Now, 4th of July, the Independence Day that is being marked, and what the different leaders have already said that we are trying to make America great again. But unfortunately, the news is not that good. Making great doesn't mean that you have hit the highest mark, that is 55,274, a new record. Yes, a new record in terms of COVID patients in US. And this has been what? This has been dubbed as that US is doing most testing than any other countries. And this is even taken as a greater sign, a very positive sign. Okay, if we look at another aspect, is that they are losing control in terms of what they were known as the most tolerant nation, right? Where everyone given their all rights. But as we came to know from George Floyd's death, that Black Lives Matter, which were never considered, right? Frequent racist remarks are being made to women, to black people, to people of other minorities. So this is another thing. Nothing has been done. The testing is slow. As per hospitals, the testing is slow. As per the government, the testing is done, and people are being congratulated by this surge. Again, the economy prevails over human life. And this is not what the forefathers have written in the constitution document that they have. Right? The first principle is national sovereignty. It's still there, I think so. Then we have the second principle, that is natural law. It means that it includes equality, justice, the golden rule that seems to disappear now. Justice and equality seems to disappear. Then the self-evident truth, the principle 3. There is no self-evident truth now. There are many faces of truth. When we talk about the principle number 4, equality, that all men are created equal, again not being followed here. White are given more preference. 5, inalienable rights, that everyone can own property, but not right now. Again, right to life, right to liberty, right to private property. And the primary purpose of the government is the protection of the inalienable rights. To secure these rights, governments are instituted among men. Unfortunately, they are serving their own interests. Then the popular sovereignty. The Declaration of Independence states that the principle with the words that to secure these rights, governments are instituted among men, deriving their just powers from the consent of the governed. Just powers. Unfortunately, not true. Federalism and states' rights. Yes, these exist. Good. Then we have divine providence and the protection of divine providence, being mutually pledged to each other our lives, our fortunes, and our sacred honor. That is also missing.